Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We've got a beautiful all aluminum, all com stealth trailer here in stock. This is a very high-end, super good quality, 4-year factory warranty, and very lightweight because it is all aluminum. These are great trailers to pull behind Class A's and motorhomes just because of their weight savings. This one's in a beautiful smooth skin charcoal exterior, does have the rounded upper cap, polished corners, extra tall diamond plate rock guard, and you guys can see we've extended this tongue. It's on a heavy duty extended triple tube tongue on a 6-inch frame. That's to give you a better turning radius. When you take this trailer and push it farther away from your vehicle, it allows you to turn sharper and tighter without that trailer coming into the back of your vehicle. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar. They also use an upgraded cam bar locking system. You guys can see right there, there's this awesome smooth skin exterior. 250, 200-pound torsion spread axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and as far as towing goes, this is as good as it gets. When we have this torsion axle under the trailer, it gives you an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so it's going to ride better and tow better. And then when you spread the axles apart, it cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. This also has the rear canopy on it, so this trailer just really truly looks amazing with the canopy. Try and get you guys a good shot here. Gives it a really nice profile. Rear ramp door, spring assist close, of course. You've got a big, huge transition flap as well. It's just folded up right now, but that folds down, gives you a nice big extension, great for cars and low profile vehicles especially. Load lights off this rear canopy. And then this one is the bonus. It's equipped with the premium side escape door and the removable interior fender. So this is a great feature if you guys have wider vehicles than what your standard fender width is on the interior. It's also great if you guys have low profile cars, because as you guys can see, you can pull this fender off and swing your car door open and not have to clear that huge entire fender right there. All you have to do is clear a small tire and wheel. So lots of different uses here. There's also a little step. It's super simple. I pulled this off myself. There's 2 clips. It's very lightweight because it's aluminum and super simple and easy. And then you've also got this big, huge, awesome awning door off the side. 7-foot interior height in this unit. You also have a dovetail in the back, so that's going to add some additional interior height here at this rear ramp door. Tons of D-rings. You've got 10 D-rings in the floor. Rubber coin floor, so you've got a beautiful surface in here as well. Here's one of your side vents. The other one's in that top left corner, so this trailer is going to naturally cross ventilate, which is great when you have anything in here with fuel. And then here's a better look so you guys can understand, see how much more extra width you get when you pull that fender off. It's just a super cool feature. Great puck lights. We upgraded all the interior lights as well. You guys can see you've got 8 really nice recessed puck lights up in the ceiling. Finished out walls and ceiling as well. This is in a vinyl ceiling liner. Backside of your RV lock gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. There's also an upgraded toggle switch here. And here it is. You guys can go to getmytrailer.com, view all of our inventory online, watch videos, as well as check out more pictures of this unit. Again, getmytrailer.com. You can purchase our trailers online as well, and we ship. If you guys aren't here, just give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote as well. 303-688-8485, or again, getmytrailer.com.